Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Simply CM, and today is anong araw? September 21, Wednesday, 4 oy, 4:51 na ng hapon, and we are still here in Moalboal, Cebu. We're enjoying our vacation, and I'm making this video right now because feel ko lang. No, seriously, I'm making this video because there's a lot of Filipinos been sending me messages on how to come here. I mean, documents wise, kasi ang daming dapat i-prepare daw. Medyo strict yung Philippines with regards to the COVID thing. So the requirements, we'll do it.
Keep it in English for the English speaking viewers.
Asawa ko dito sa kabila.
So annoying.
But anyway, the requirements. I'm a Filipina, husband is Danish, and we just came from Denmark, and nag-arrive kami dito last September 11. Requirements. Da-da-dan-da-dan. First, you have to be vaccinated. If you're not vaccinated, you cannot enter Philippines, even if you're a Filipino. Pero i-double check nyo, baka mali ako. But yun yung mga nabasa ko. So then, if you got vaccine 1 and 2 without the booster, you still need to have corona test. But if you have booster, vaccine, booster, 3 in total, that's what I got and my husband got, you are exempted to have the COVID test. So, easy na lang. But then, to make it easier, para hindi na magka-problema, i-print yung certification nyo na vaccinated na kayo, yung 1, 2, 3, print it out. I know na pwedeng i-screenshot natin, pakita natin sa cellphone. But then again, hindi natin alam na baka malobat tayo, just to make sure. So, dapat printed yung vaccination certificate, and it has to be in English para maintindihan nung mga mag-check sa Philippines. So, once ready na yung 3 vaccine certification, so ibig sabihin nun, as I said, no need for COVID test. And then the next one would be the Health Pass, One Health Pass. So, hindi na kailangan i-download yung app. Website lang yon na i-fill out ninyo within 72 hours before kayo mag-travel. So, yeah. Website, One Health Pass, i-search nyo lang. And then, within 72 hours, fill out all the form. Yung inyong passport, yung inyong vaccine certificate, you have to prepare it because they will be asking for it online and you just have to attach it there. And then, at the end of it, you will have a QR code. So, yun yung parang i-print nyo. And then, they will say that, isn't it right?
Side comment, if you fill out that, take a print of your screen. Don't expect the mail that they say they're gonna come to you.
Okay.
It's not gonna come. And there's no place that is like, hey, click print here. You have to print the screen, right?
Okay. So, yun. Sabi niya, siya kasi yung parang nag-fill out sa form. Sabi niya, at the end, it will tell you that you will receive a confirmation email, blah, blah, blah. But if I were you, do not expect na maka-receive kayo because I did not receive, my husband did not receive, and some Filipina I know who traveled in Philippines, hindi din naka-receive ng confirmation email. So, pag nakita nyo na yung QR code na nasa screen, you have to screenshot it, print it, because there's no way to print it, the normal. So, if I were you, screenshot it and then print it out. So, you got it ready kasi hindi kayo makaka-receive ng confirmation. I know a lot of Filipina who didn't receive. Anyway, so I was also worried during that time because we didn't receive a confirmation email. And then I sent messages to other Filipina I know who went to Philippines, and they said they did not. So, the QR code is enough. So, basically, it's just the QR code of the One Health Pass, and then yung tatlong print out na vaccination certificate, and it has to be in English. And then, of course, your passport. That's like the most basic thing. And then yung flight ticket ninyo, i-print nyo din. So yun lang talaga yung parang prepare namin na documents. And then it went so fast. So yung ano namin, yung parang flight namin is from Denmark to Singapore. No need to have mask on. But then Singapore to Davao, mask on, yun yung requirements. And then Davao to Cebu, where we are right now, mask on din doon sa airplane. And then the only time you're allowed to remove the mask is when you're about to eat. And then pagkadating sa airport, naka-mask din dapat. And the moment you're outside the airport, that's the time na pwede nyo nang tanggalin. But of course, it's an option. Kasi yung mayor dito, sabi daw na it's voluntary if you wanna... I cannot breathe. It's voluntary if you wanna wear mask or you don't wanna wear mask if you're outside. But then again, if you go to a mall like Ayala, lahat ng mall na napuntahan namin dito, Ayala, Gaisano, ganyan, requirement talaga mag-mask or else hindi ka papapasukin. If you don't have a mask, normally sa mga side view, may mga nagtitinda dyan ng mga mask. Yung presyohan nila dito, 5 pesos, isang mask. Pero syempre, mas mura pa rin pag bibilhin nyo yung box talaga. But then, if you're in a hurry, so, yun, magtanong-tanong lang saan makakabili ng mask. They got it ready there. 5 pesos each. And then, ano pa ba? So, yun. And dito sa Moalboal, guys, I just have to tell you na if you are expecting like a big party just like before, that there will be so much people, not so much this time. Kasi madami pa rin, madami pa rin hindi nakakapunta dito. Iwan ko ba. But anyway, we've been here for a week now. And hindi masyadong ganun ka-bibo like before. Pero okay naman. During Friday, Saturday, may mga bar naman konti kahit papano. Pero the rest of the days, hindi matao. Ano lang, very quiet lang. Most of the restaurants are closed. Pero pag Friday, Saturday, yun yung parang boom. Yung parang, saan galing yung mga taong to? So anyway, yun yung mga requirements. Tandaan lang, 3 vaccination certificate. No need for COVID if may booster ka. 1 health pass with QR code. Yan. Passport, flight ticket, and then you're good to go.
Please bring some money also.
Very important. Please,
Everything become more expensive out here.
yeah, please bring some money. Everything is expensive here. And then, if you're gonna take out money, it would be nice to do it in Citibank. Yeah, it would be nice to do it in Citibank because you can withdraw money 15 pesos.
15K.
Yeah, 15,000 pesos. Pero pag yung normal na ATM machines dyan, ang max na ma-withdraw mo is 10,000 lang. And then, you will also see a lot of this Euro ATM na nasa mga corner-corner. Euronet. I suggest don't do it kasi malulugi ka sa presyohan. Yung exchange rate nila sobrang baba tapos ang laki din ng processing fee. So don't do it. I suggest magpunta ka sa totoong mga bank talaga. So yun. I think yun na. Hinihingal ako guys. Ganito na ba talaga pag tumatanda? Anyway, we actually just got home kasi naglaglaag po mi panagsa. But anyway, we just got home. Now it's time to relax. And a bit later, we're gonna have dinner too. And yeah, that's it. 5 pa lang. So, may mga 2 hours pa tayo before dinner.
So swimming it is.
No, not
Yeah, swimming.
No, not yet.
Yeah, swimming.
I'm so tired. It's
Yeah, we
like,
gotta go swimming.
quiet, Martin.
It's a rule.
Yeah, we're gonna go swimming, but later, not now because we've just arrived. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope na nakatulong yung aking informasyon na binigay, sharing. So yun, thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of the day.